Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use margin on Robinhood safely. Alright, let's begin. To use margin on Robinhood, you must first meet the eligibility criteria. You need to apply for a margin account, which requires details like income, net worth, and credit history. Additionally, you must have a minimum portfolio value of $2,000. Before proceeding, carefully review the margin account contract to understand all terms and conditions. Once approved, deposit funds into your account. You must maintain a specific equity level, known as the maintenance margin. If your portfolio value drops below the required margin, you may receive a margin call, requiring you to add funds to meet the minimum maintenance requirement. Using margin involves risks, so always monitor your account balance, understand interest rates, and avoid excessive borrowing. So that's basically how you can use margin on Robinhood safely. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.